Okay, so how to connect your LiteSpeed Web Cache Manager app. How do you connect LiteSpeed to your website that you just created? So we created our subdomain, and now we have LiteSpeed technology on our servers. So let's make sure that we're taking advantage of that. So to do that, you need to go to your cPanel account, scroll down to where it says Advanced, go to LiteSpeed Web Cache Manager, and you will see that as you scroll down, it has a place for WordPress. So you click on WordPress Cache, and you'll see the websites that you have installed for this server to cache using LiteSpeed. So now let's take a look at the one. Make sure it is enabled. It is enabled, so that's good. Let's see. Oh, wait, nope. Let's go ahead and scan. We're looking for the YouTube.foco web design. So here it is right here, and it is enabled now. Now let's go back to the website and we installed the LiteSpeed Cache plugin. So you need to go to Add New and look for LiteSpeed Cache. I'll show you guys real quick what it looks like. Right here you have it. LiteSpeed Technologies. Install this. This plugin works directly with your server and caches it from a server. There is no translating at all. Everything is speaking LiteSpeed. You have this integrates WordPress to cache perfectly with your server, which is also running on LiteSpeed. So it's the first time ever where it's made specifically for LiteSpeed servers. So this won't even work if you're using an Apache server, and I'm sorry, but you need to switch over to NameHero or some other hosting provider that has LiteSpeed technology, because it is the future. It's much faster. It's like 6 times quicker than Apache, and you can do all you want and do everything perfect. But if you don't have a good server that has LiteSpeed technology on it, then it's just going to give you a disadvantage at the end of the day. So once you make the switch, download this plugin here. Now go to the settings, click right here, LiteSpeed Cache, go to General. So go ahead and request domain key. What we're going to do is it's cloud servers, it's not shared server technology, and the CDN technology is QUIC.cloud. So there's Bunny, there's Cloudflare, there's other types of CDNs, but LiteSpeed uses QUIC.cloud. And so this is just another thing to keep everything fully native. This is going to be the fastest solution when you're using LiteSpeed technology software. Use the QUIC.cloud CDN. And so it takes a second. You need to request the domain and then come back here in a second, hit Save Changes, and you'll see it's right here. It automatically pops it in and propagates it. And then just click on Link to QUIC.cloud. And then you have an account. Go ahead and sign up if you haven't. It's free. And this will link it. And now you are good to go. So now here's a couple other tricks. Go back to your cPanel and make sure you click on cPanel and then scroll down and see, not all the hosting providers have this, but NameHero does. Really, really good ones do, like A2 Hosting, HostSinger. Those are both LiteSpeed hosting providers that give you the ability to turn on and off server-side caching technology, which normally with Bluehost and other like GoDaddy and other giant hosting companies, they're going to charge you a whole bunch, maybe $60 per month for something like this. Here's how to save $60 per month. Go ahead and select PHP version underneath software inside of one of these awesome hosting providers. Hit select PHP version. This is so much value right here. This will save you so much money if you just get a host that has this technology here. This should be available for everybody. Now click on extensions if you're not already here, and then you'll see everything. And scroll down here where it says Redis. Make sure you turn on Redis. This will not be turned on by default. And then make sure you turn on Memcached right here also. So once both these are turned on, you can go back to your website, go back to your LiteSpeed settings and go to cache, and then go to where it says object, and then scroll down to where it says Redis and turn it on Redis, and then go down here where it says for Redis, type in these numbers, copy these, paste them in here like this. You can use Memcached, you can use Redis, but whichever one you choose, make sure you update the port number. I do believe Redis is better. I don't know a bunch about it. But yep, let's do a Redis and then hit save changes. So this is server-side caching, and look at that, Redis is enabled. That's good. Sometimes this says like if it's not fully enabled and stuff, then maybe switch back to Memcached. But Redis, I do believe, is the better option. So we are good. Memcached, object cache. Turn that on. Hit save. All right, beautiful. Back to cache. You can go through these settings and turn other ones on and off. Go to image optimization and should be able to hit gather images here. Just go over to image optimization settings, auto request cron, turn this on, hit save. This will automatically pull images and make sure they're compressed using this LiteSpeed technology. This is why you don't need to use Smush, the really nice plugin for smushing images. Smush, that plugin is fantastic, but you really don't need to use it if you're using this. Now, page optimization, click here. CSS minify, turn that on. Combine should be fine, turn that on. JavaScript, turn this on. I switched over to the JavaScript tab here and turned it on. And HTML, turn that on, minify. Media settings. I'm going to try this out. I don't know what it is. Don't hate me if it doesn't work. It says use QUIC.cloud generator service for responsive image previews while loading. Never mind. You can experiment with that if you want. Yep, there's a whole bunch of settings. There's other videos online that teach you more about this, but this gives you a good general introduction to turning on server-side caching, turning on LiteSpeed technologies on the plugin and on the cPanel side, and making sure that it's talking together. And now we need to make sure our SSL is on. So let's go back to the cPanel, go back to cPanel here, scroll down to domains, and right here where it says youtube.focowebdesign, make sure that force HTTPS redirect is turned on, or else it will not redirect every single time to have the secure connection. So make sure that's turned on. And that is it for this video. We are going to dive into plugins, and we can make email addresses and do all kinds of different things, but for now let's stop it here. That's plenty of information: how to turn on the SSL certificate, how to hook up LiteSpeed, and how to turn on the server-side technology. So, okay, very good.